In recent years, technology has changed a lot, and one of the biggest changes is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool developed by OpenAI that can have conversations, answer questions, and do creative tasks like writing and coding. This article will explain where ChatGPT came from, how it's being used, and what it means for the future. ChatGPT is based on a type of technology called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The first version, GPT-1, came out in 2018. It was trained on lots of text to understand and create sentences. Then came GPT-2 in 2019, which was much better at writing realistic text. Finally, GPT-3 came out in 2020 with 175 billion parameters, making it incredibly powerful. In 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, a version of GPT designed to talk with people. This made it easy for businesses and individuals to use AI for many tasks. ChatGPT is great for customer service. It can answer common questions quickly, saving time for businesses and improving customer satisfaction. It works in many languages and industries, making it useful worldwide. Teachers and students use ChatGPT for learning. It can explain topics, help with homework, and even suggest lesson plans. It's like having a tutor available anytime. People use ChatGPT to write blog posts, social media updates, and scripts. It's fast and creative, helping content creators save time while exploring new ideas. Programmers use ChatGPT to help with coding. It can write code, fix errors, and explain programming concepts, making it a helpful tool for beginners and experts. In healthcare, ChatGPT helps with scheduling, reminders, and basic advice. While it can't replace doctors, it makes healthcare more accessible. ChatGPT has made AI tools available to everyone, not just big companies. This has led to more innovation and opportunities. However, some people worry about its misuse, like spreading false information or taking over jobs that humans used to do. These concerns highlight the need for careful use and upskilling workers. To address these concerns, OpenAI has added safeguards. For example, ChatGPT won't answer harmful requests. OpenAI also listens to user feedback to make the tool better and fairer. Being open about how AI works is important to build trust. The future of ChatGPT is exciting. Here are some improvements we can expect. ChatGPT will get better at understanding context, making conversations more meaningful. This could make it useful for mental health support and counseling. ChatGPT may soon work with text, images, and audio together. This means it could help create videos, podcasts, and more. Instead of replacing people, ChatGPT will work alongside them. It can handle repetitive tasks, leaving humans to focus on creative and complex work. If you want to use ChatGPT effectively, here are some tips. Understanding ChatGPT's strengths and limits helps you use it better. Be honest and avoid using it for harmful purposes. AI is always changing, so keep learning to stay ahead. ChatGPT is changing the world by making AI more accessible and useful. It's helping people work, learn, and create in new ways. While there are challenges, using it thoughtfully and responsibly can unlock its full potential. The future of ChatGPT is bright, and it's up to us to use it wisely.